Motivational speech for practicing yoga regularly. In the hustle of everyday life, we often forget one thing: the most important relationship we have is with ourselves. We get so caught up in the rush, the deadlines, the responsibilities, and the endless tasks that we forget to take a moment to simply breathe and listen to our bodies. But yoga offers us something truly special. It is not just an exercise, it is a path to reconnecting with your body, mind, and soul. Yoga is a practice of patience, of growth, and of finding peace in the present moment. When you step onto your mat, you are choosing yourself. You are choosing to honor your body, to nurture your mind, and to reset your spirit. It's easy to let life's demands pull you away, to tell yourself you don't have time, or that you are too tired. But let me remind you, yoga isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about showing up for yourself every single day. Even if it's just for 10 minutes, that time will transform you. When you practice yoga regularly, you are not just stretching your body, you are stretching your heart. You are deepening your connection with who you truly are. Every breath you take on your mat is an opportunity for growth. You may not see instant results, but remember that yoga isn't about the end goal, it's about the journey. It's about those small moments where you find strength you didn't know you had, where you push through discomfort and discover your resilience.